Hi, I'm Jason Michael Stepina, the founder of the Shiva Murti School for Healing. In my correspondences and conversations about Shiva Murti, I get many questions about the origins and functions of this incredibly powerful Vedic Balinese healing modality. So I want to clear up these questions and share with you some more detailed information about the work. This form of healing entering the West right now is called Shiva Murti. It is originated only by the master healer and high priest in Bali named Ratu Nabe, who created this energy modality in his healing temples and clinic in Bali. Shiva Murti includes Vedic mantras that open you up and connect you to these energies. In this practice, we build up the kundalini fire using Vedic kundalini through the breath that comes from Ratu Nabe. You learn how to push the kundalini through the arms, hands, eyes, mouth, and third eye. We study how to invoke the Dewas, the powerful healing gods from all the directions. With Ratu Nabe at sacred temples in Bali and at the Shiva Murti School for Healing, you learn about the very specific ways to scan the body, both energetically and physically. You can use test points on the body to locate the energy blockings causing ailments that need healing. These techniques originated at Ratu Nabe's clinic in Bali. It's a kind of energetic surgery where you can actually transform internal ailments. This daily practice and energetic surgical process was all created by Ratu Nabe. As the learning progresses, we begin using specific advanced techniques that are taught at different levels of the training. These involve working with the Dewas and the Dewis, the organs, the sacred Ankara, and the Sanjata Dawada Nawasanga, plus so much more, all of which come from Ratu Nabe. As spiritual healers, it's so ethically important to give credit to the person and the place where this healing work comes from. This work was not created by anyone in the West. This is a sacred Balinese Vedic healing modality created by a high priest of Vedic Balinese traditions, Ratu Nabe.
My blessing from the God Siwa, please give you something really good word, and you're gonna be release your problem and you are gonna be happy life.
Here at the Shiva Murti School for Healing, we are dedicated to maintaining and strengthening this direct lineage with him. We are committed to honoring the integrity of this work and the integrity of our teacher, Ratu Nabe. Not only for the ethical reasons, but also because by breaking the lineage, you get cut off from the source where this power and energy come from. You also lose the ability to gain even deeper knowledge. Every time I study with Ratu Nabe, there are new depths and techniques to gain. This last time I was in Bali, I was taught a technique that actually put me into samadhi. We also studied how to use the energy in self-defense. And actually be able to push someone away with the energy without even touching them. This is a branch of Shiva Murti that focuses on martial arts called the Ganabala. There is no limit to what Shiva Murti can do, specifically if the direct connection with who all this comes from is not broken. Shiva Murti is not only a healing modality, but deals with infinity and totality of existence itself. There is no end to the knowledge of this deep well. I've been studying energy medicine for over 20 years and have never discovered anything as powerful as this for actually healing serious pain and ailments. Come join us at the Shiva Murti School for Healing for an adventure of a lifetime.